This tutorial will show the back of the sustainable architecture model and will touch on the servos, the receiver, water tanks, pump, and so on.
A close-up of the small wind turbine, just to illustrate what it looks like. It is translucent and it has got a couple of LEDs on the inside, so as you power it, the lights will go on. At the back of the building, it looks a bit messy, but all these cables are necessary to do some tests so students can see where these cables run to and what's the function of these cables. So that's why it's all open. So what we have is we've got a 6-volt battery pack right there, which powers the servos. Those are the little devices which provide movement for this building, and I'll show that quickly. There we have a servo right there, and how it works is, in a typical dynamo or little motor, we would just move the louver up and down like so. So these cables power those servos. The small little device over there is called the receiver. This is a spectrum receiver for an aircraft, and what it does is it provides the communication between this house, this is the receiver, with the transmitter, and with this transmitter, by moving the sticks, we would be able to move the louvers and open the roof. There's another switch over there which would open the roof. That will be illustrated later. So just the pump then at the back. What the pump does is it just draws in water and pushes it through this tube, which goes to the inside of the building and to the hot water cylinder. If I could just pull that out quickly. So there we see the typical fuel tank of an aircraft, and this represents the hot water cylinder. You can also see the back. We see the back of the LED downlighter, and this is the regulator of the photovoltaic panel right there. And all it does is, as the energy from the sun is harvested from the photovoltaic panel, it regulates the power as it goes through the battery.